Hi and welcome back to the Parts Pass YouTube channel, where our focus is to make auto repairs and parts accessible to everyone. Today, we're talking cabin air filters. Did you know that most late model vehicles are already equipped with cabin air filters? This is specifically engineered to trap pollen, dust, and other airborne materials. So next time you turn your air conditioning on or heating, you want to make sure that you're breathing in fresh air. If you're suffering from respiratory issues or allergies, you're going to want to make sure that you're paying close attention to your cabin air filter. So the question is, how often should you change a cabin air filter? Most manufacturers recommend changing a cabin air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles. Although every case is different, you might want to consider doing it a little sooner, especially if you're living in an urban area with high traffic, low air quality, or if you live in the desert. Another way to know if you need to change your cabin air filter is if you start noticing a foul odor coming from your ventilation system, or if there's a lack of airflow coming from their vents. So next time you experience one of these, make sure to change your cabin air filter. Many cabin air filters are located behind the glove box, so you can easily access it and pull it out just to evaluate it. Story time. When I was replacing my cabin air filter, I found a nest and a dead mouse in it. Comment below and share your stories and what the cringiest thing that you found when you were replacing your air filter. We rate this DIY project super easy. You can find new cabin air filters on the Parts Pass app starting at $15, which is a huge savings. I've seen local dealerships charge customers over $175 to replace a cabin air filter, which is just a huge waste of money because you can do it yourself. Some high-end cars have a charcoal cabin air filter, which we have available as well, that start at about $40 and go up from there. Here are some of the brands that we carry at Parts Pass. This is an old cabin filter, and you can see all that dust coming out of there. And this is what you'll be breathing in. So we're replacing that with a brand new cabin air filter that we've ordered from the Parts Pass app. Completely clean and brand new. Even gives you directions of how to install it. So again, you see a lot of dirt in between the ribs of the filter, and you can see the dust that accumulates. You want to make sure that you're replacing your cabin filter at least once a year. So here's instructions, gives you a tutorial and a brand new filter as well. All right, that's pretty much all you need to know about cabin air filters today. Don't forget to download the Parts Pass app today, where you can find OE parts at wholesale pricing with 2-day delivery directly to your door. We would love to see you back here in the garage, and please feel free to share which parts you would like to see. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.